Hello everybody. Today we learn foreign sounds of letter U. U makes different sounds, but today we will learn only one sound A. U makes sound A. K, A, K, T, cut. M, A, Ma, Sh, mash, T, must. T, A, T, Ro, tar, Sh, thars. Sh, A, Sha, N, shan. Sh, A, Sha. Here two letters CS make one sound Ch. Ch, A, Sha. Ch, A, Sha, Ch, such. R, A, Ra, N, run. Fr, A, fra, prang, k, frank. J, A, ja, sh, just, t, just. B, A, ba, sh, bus. R, A, ra, b, e, b, ra, b, sh. Here two letter S's make one sound sh. R, A, ra, b, e, b, sh, ra, bish. B, A, ba, th. Here two letter together make sound R. B, A, ba, th, R, thar, ba, thar. K, A, kha, th, R, thar, kha, thar. St, A, sta, l, e, d, study. L, o, lo, th, a, tha, sh, thus, lotus. N, a, na, m, num. B, r, bar, number. R, a, bra, sh, ras. Th, a, tha, ro, thar. Th, lo, thul, thar, thul.